I learned how to whisper in a room full of noise. Learned how to smile when I'm losing my voice. Every crack in my armor I paint it with gold. If they ask how I'm standing, I'll just say I've been dancing with shadows I don't let them see, carrying thunder underneath my heartbeat. Every lie I've been told tried to make me small, but something in me never learned how to fall. I've been holding my breath in the dark, waiting for the moment it sparks. If this pain is a language I speak, then this is the sound of me. This is what it sounds like when the fear finally breaks, when the quiet turns violent and the truth starts to shake. This is what it sounds like when I rise, when I fight. Every scar sings louder when the silence ignites. This is what it sounds like. Never taught how to burn, told the fire was dangerous, lessons unlearned. But I feel it inside me, a storm in my chest. If I'm standing here shaking, I'm not finished yet. They said know your place, so I carved out my own. Built a kingdom from bruises and bones. Every tear that I swallowed came back as a scream. Now the world's gonna hear what it did to me. I've been counting the cracks in my skin. Everyone is a place I begin. If this pain is a language I speak, then listen, this is me. This is what